Cool map. Hello, Antler Soul. Need my milk. Ooh, this one is a green captain. Oh. One of my cups has vanished. I'll use this. All good. Also, hi, Speedy Wolf. Okay. Alright, I tore out some stuff. That's fine. What does Paul active do? Oh, this function. Alright. Hello, Coco X. TwitchCon hype. Okay. Oh, nice spawn, Speedy Wolf. But we wanna just go here. I made quite a few changes. That makes sense. Okay, interesting. What's this called? I see what this file is. It's the other one. Okay. That's why everything is so different. But okay, I can work with that. If all result equals 1, then and we need to have a bunch of other stuff. This is not clean. Whatever. And we want them for 30, 10, 30, 100. No one will ever do those, but I'm making them anyway. Set map name. I print get map name resource root. Let me actually look that one up. Someone wants to join. This will be free roam. Don't think you will know. First seen 30 days ago. Followed for 5.9 years. Okay. When is the next 100% run? Christmas. For San Andreas anyway. Christmas Day. These questions. I'm sorry, Coco. I don't. Stranger danger, dude. Check my own Discord. Fits perfectly. What was I doing? Oh yeah. This will not work. Yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah, I was gonna look something up. You even called, yo? Override client. I didn't save, but it's fine. I'll just do a Google. Get map name. Multi-theft auto wiki. Have I considered becoming a programmer? I have. We're playing map called blah 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 blah. What map you are currently playing? Okay, I see how this works. So just get map name. Okay. Local map name equals get map name. Thanks, Tommy Kapener. When's I answered your previous question. Ask it again if you missed the answer though. Set map name plus. Now that works like this in this. Actually, I can just do it like this, and then basic arrays. Honestly, I should just make that. Just the car that is being used. Byte-sized chunk. One list. This is so hard coded, I do not like it, but I'm kind of on a time constraint with getting this out to, what did I just do? To Iguana in time, so... sorry about that. Full experience. No typos. Ooh. That will work for me. What is this called? Apply poll results. Okay. So how does that server make it? I guess I did something in the race. Anyway, it doesn't matter then. I wanna do a quick one race, simple basic race. With cutscene it seems. Yeah, I spent quite a while on this, mostly on getting these cranes to work. The cranes were tough. But I got them to work, I hope. Yeah. Okay, I need to look at. Just pick whatever. I need to look at the top times thing. Open in File Explorer. Resources. This one seems rather unfair. Also, this is the really slow one. Has to go all the way around. I have a bunch of eye prints that I need to not forget to remove. Okay, second difference. How do you, no, you just go into the server, which is off the top of my head, that. And you just go in there and you're there. But I wanted to do the thing. He's doing a regular race, that's fine. I wanted to look at files that you can't see. File resources, game modes, race, add-ons, race, stop times, extract all to here, I hope. Open with code. Beep. How does this code work, dude? Lead time. Check if top time recording is disabled, blah 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 blah. Map times. Set mode and map. Okay, race stop times. Open with code. Yes, sure. Set map and times. What's it called? Set mode and map. Set mode and map. At event on map starting. At event and on map starting. On resource start. Okay, I see. I'll have to call this from within the map. Info.map, info.mode name. Get race info. Okay. What is get race info? I could, yeah, I could. Not sure if I'd want to. No, don't do that. I'm gonna do a thing that is not a bit ugly. Local race and get race info. Not just race info. Okay. I'm just gonna do local race route. Is that return and This, whatever that does. Oh, what does that do? Stop. What is that now? This is not just a simple copy paste, okay. It could be. What are we doing now? What? Okay, hold on, I have a different example. So what I wanna do is I wanna update the map name and make just the default leaderboard show the thing. Without updating the thing, the top times resource. And I know Robot made something that interacts with that, or I think it was someone else. But that was hard-coded in, I think. Is that here as well? Folk map. Drag. I just need a short map. Something quick, please. 18 checkpoints. Kreise. Let's do a race. Different race. Sure. Nothing. Well, you'll die and respawn, Lord Ma. Yeah. How far is this? Well, I got the drag race I wanted. This actually works with the seams in the roads. Register, yeah, that word. It's just a default command. Oh God. This is a race, alright. For noob. Now I wanna finish this, although I kinda wanna race my ghost on this too. Oh, something's happening. Good race. Get rid of noobs. Oh yeah, that one. This one is not, yeah, fault map, get rid of noobs. Yes, it is. Yeah, that's good. Now I just need to beat my PB. Okay, nothing happened, it's not in this resource. Yeah, now that high frame rate is allowed in single player runs, I'd say like move it to 60 as well. But yeah, don't go above. Okay, but what I was looking for doesn't exist. Okay, so I'm looking at the thing, but like G stop times manager doesn't exist. It's like it does like if G stop time manager blah 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 blah. But it doesn't where? At on map starting. Oh here. Stop times manager create. Cool. What's a stop times manager? Should I just call the event quick and dirty? I could. Race. Okay. Local times manager is get a resource a root element of get a resource from a name. Oh, I love this so much. What's the resource name? Race underscore top times. Boom. Then I still wanna keep my race info. I wanna know what that does actually. This is gonna throw an error. I can't. Yeah, and I can't pause for shit. Yeah, false. Expected element new. Right, because I did not do this. Input delay. There's a case to be made for 60 FUPs now. Ah, so that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. How do I call an event again in this? Manager. Then event. Trigger. Server event. I haven't done the thing you linked me yet, Lord Mao, and I regret it. Now. Yeah, exactly. Trigger server event, and this is gonna be real clean. On a map starting. This is server, right? Yes. And then that goes to times manager. And what do I want to send? Just the game options. Bleh. Comment it out for now. I want to print erase info. No. Map info. Map options, game options. Okay, I see. Local stuff is something stuff dot mode name equals the game mode name. Map info. Is race info the same as map info? It isn't. The fuck is Statsky? Um. mm. Map info? Is that a thing? Okay, hold on. I print race info dot map info. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. There will be cranes, yes. The thing you linked me, Lord Moore. I didn't do it and I regret it. Okay, I see, I see. No. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, I was gonna copy this thing. Okay. Mode name. Sprint. Okay. Mode name, name, and game options. Okay. Do we have a race info dot game options? We do! And in that game there should be a stat key. Stat key. I have no clue what that is. Also my ghost is spamming me. Nil. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna make an epic change to this. I print game options dot stats key, and I wanna just dump some stuff in there so I can easily find it. Restart erase top times. That work? I hope it did. Unable to. Alright. Stats key a nil value. Alright, so that is just always nil somehow, maybe. Whatever, I can send it along. Yeah. Oop. Remove that erroring line again. Cool. Stuff. We don't need stuff. We just wanna do a trigger sub event with what in it? This. Yes. I print clean. Yeah, restart. Top times. And since I can't go another. That's not the correct nomenclature. It is. What now? Trigger server event is not a nil value. Anything. Resource root. Because this is on a server, so I just need to trigger an event. Trigger event. Don't need to do that anymore. Alright, let's see if it shits the bed. Click done. Attempt to index game options are nil value. Didn't we have? You're bullshitting me. You're bullshitting me. What? That worked earlier. Is it race info.map info.game options? Oh no, never mind. Okay. Never mind. I'm bullshitting myself. This works fine. Wait, does it? Is there some web where I can download GTA SA? Oh man. Well, now it's just not eye printing anymore? Yeah, that works. Why are we not printing stuff of Why would you print that then? Oh. Okay. How do I get game options? Is that nil on the thing? Yes. So however the fuck that is, I'm just gonna pass nil because it doesn't seem to be doing anything, and I hope it won't break. Okay, but I don't want to pass race info.map info.name. I want to pass my custom name, map name. I want to this. Okay, we have options, game options. Okay. For this, local stuff equals an empty thing. Stuff dot mode name equals race info dot map info dot mode name. Stuff dot name equals custom map name. Custom map name equals my custom map name plus the thing full experience set map name custom map name is that yes there stuff with name is custom map name. Okay. And stuff dot stat key is nil. Alright, I need to pass those along. Trigger sub refund. Times manager, what do I pass? Stuff, stuff, stuff. Double exclamation marks, let me know it really worked. Cool. Why are you spamming it so much? Unexpected symbol near 485 447. Yeah, that seems to check out. To join over Morrow, you will need 1.5.9. Okay. Let's hit this one out. Let's do this actual race then. Did something. We're speedy. If you're just downloading a map for yourself, then 1.6 should work. I'm testing this on 1.6 right now, but we'll be playing in 1.5.9. Great for backwards compatibility, I know. What is this song? I don't have my Winamp open. I have no clue. The server owners refuse to update. The race starts at noon Spain time, I think. Yeah, noon Spain time. Okay, that did something. Okay. Okay. Let's vote for something else. Hello, Mr. Folk. Alright, this is actually seems to work. I will have to modify this again to make it work on their server, because they have their own thing, I believe. And now I can strip out this entire ugly custom-made box. Let's put a comment in here. Comment. Do some trickery with the map name and the scoreboard manager, the race, so that separate scores or top times are tracked per poll result. I don't know what to actually call it. What does the poll ask? Map length. For map length. The default top Sometimes a manager does not respond to the above. So send it an event so it does. It appears that the Lego server has their own thing for the do they? Oh, never mind. Can I run multiple instances of MTA at the same time? I mean, I wouldn't be able to anyway. Come on, laptop. What do you mean, Southwest Strangler? What? Empty. People are actually in here. Photo map. Change map. They do not have the thing. Sorry. Do I get in the name of science? What do they do? Just testings. Okay, they do the thing here as well. Okay, interesting. What was I testing now? Yeah, okay. So, okay. Lego one does something. Lego one does something special. IDK what? Strip this out. For them. I have to make a special version for them, I guess. Hello, Yowie. That should be it. I can then strip out all the database stuff. All of it. All of it. Scores database, all this. DB, database stuff, show scores. Boom. Create table if not blah, 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 blah. I can strip all of it. 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 Ui, client. Set scoreboard, stop times for the full experience. Do not care. This is all to do with that. Delete it! Delete it! I spent so long making the code work, but we're deleting it. Delete it. Show scoreboard. Delete it. All of it. All of it. Not this though. And this, yes. But the tutorial, the mid-play tutorial needs to stay. And this needs to stay as well. All of it. Progress table. This is different stuff. This is for an autosave that I completely forgot I made this. Does this even work? Loading game from database. Oh, no clue. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Alright. Did we just throw an error here? Oh no, I joined this. Okay. 2 JSON warnings. I don't see no 2 JSON warnings. Okay, I need to... The thing... I did that. Restart that. Let's get all my iPrints out of the way. No such player. Cheat skip for player. I should make this so like I can always do it. Crane timer tick. This is no longer a thing. Turning away. Yeah, I no longer care about those. Oh boy, hook up, rotate, hook forward, hook back, lower safely 1, lower safely 2, detach. Hooking. That was an iPrint, yes. Pointing, not pointing. iPrint, don't care. Crane wasn't ready yet. Actually, just comment those out. Crane was ill prepared. I don't really care. Crane was not aware this would happen. Just comment it out. Update target. Update target. Yeah, I'll get rid of it. Cancelling helicopter blade attack. Leave that in actually for that time being. Even called yo. Yes, it is called yo. What's this? That. Apparently that is already handled elsewhere. Sure. Called here then. Sure, it must be. What's going on here? Util. Get distance between points 2D not broken. I no longer need that. Message. Oh yeah, fine. Alright. Save all. Save all. Okay, let's do a few one lists. Actually, let's do one and then I'll cook food. And then while I cook food, if anyone wants to join, let me know now. And if you're trusted, then you can join. This is like the final test, pretty much. If there's no bugs here, then that should be enough. I got not pung yet. But I'll do a one list and then I'll cook food. I'll leave the stream and the server running. Maybe. And I also probably should just do that. How do I connect? You will need ping me in my Discord in general, Crazy Charles. And then I'll add you the secret rule. Why did I remove it? I was on the old layout. Charles, yeah, I found you in the player list, and you need MTA testers, multi-test Artois. You should now have access to a different channel, Crazy Charles. Check the pins. And then the bottom pin, and that will have my IP. Do not leak it, please. And also, I'll just do a MTA currently testing final version before with patches before I send it to Lego One's server. Anyone wants to test it would be appreciated. IP pins do not leak, same as before. Tight Oryx. Skimmer. Sure. That's not a skimmer. Hold on. Skimmer. I mean, plopping the skimmer is a bit awkward, but you can just land it in front of the crane. I would plop it and then have to use the crane anyway, because this thing does not come to a standstill. But this is actually a good one to test. Also, yeah, there is an error. I'll look at that after I plop the skimmer. Yeah, the skimmer doesn't really come to a standstill when you plop it, because it doesn't have wheels or something, which makes sense, right? It doesn't. So yeah, you'll end up using the cranes anyway. Also, the low draw distance. I mean... I mean... Just do that! Just do that. Uh, also, what's the best route for this? No clue. I did make the whatever you call it, the precision. I did make it less demanding for the AT, the Andromeda, and the Skimmer, and the Nevada. I think actually for most planes, so it should be less demanding. And therefore easier. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if the Skimmer falls under that actually. Now I have to see. Also, yeah, the error. First off, yeah, let's look at the Skimmer. Skimmer does not count as a big plane. No, the Skimmer does not count. Okay, the Skimmer should still... Should I just put the Skimmer in the big planes list? To make it easier? It checks for city velocity. Other than that, it just checks city velocity. I'm gonna add the Skimmer to the big planes list. Is that a good idea this late? Okay, should I add the Skimmer to the big planes list so that it is easier to hand in? The crane lifts boats. It lifts boats, planes, and trailers and trains. Yeah, and the thing, there's my channel. Also testing on 1.6 despite the race Saturday and being 1.5.9. Nice country column. Very private. Much privacy. Yum yum yum. No, too much effort, Speedy Wolf. Would have to make the... I mean, it wouldn't be hard, but it's too late now. I want to send the map, like, to Iguana, like before, like, the end of this day, like... Not too late in any case. So yeah, I'm not gonna work on anything. We're just gonna test now. If there's anything that's really important, then I'll do it. But otherwise, no. Interesting. Also, I do want to change the color of that blip though. And that's in the map file. RGB. I don't want that. Because the blip is like kind of light colored, it doesn't stand out when there's many players. How do you open a F11? Yeah, I'll have to make the fade. I agree with you that it's really should be fading, like in single player. But yeah, I don't have time for that. I don't want to get, especially not UI stuff like, oh, I hate it so much. I'm doing an epic map restart. Yeah, one list. Fine. The blue blip is in San Andreas is actually for friends, not for delivery points. But yeah, the yellow doesn't stand out. The blue doesn't either. Maybe I'll change it back to red. Maybe I can just change it to bright yellow. Oh, thank you for reminding me, Speedyfold. That is pretty important. That is really important, actually. Cheat, client. Spectate is fine. Sure, reset progress can stay. Cheat next. Cheat. Skip. Sure. Come on, cheat next. Cheat flip. Cheat pref. Cheat TP. Cheat TPOP. That is really important. Let me okay, I said I wouldn't do like aesthetic stuff, but I wanna get the color right. What is yellow? RG FF0099. Bear with me here, guys. Yeah. Fine. This is like the ugly yellow. It's a little bit of orange, but it's fine. It needs a little bit of orange. I mean, you get a color picker, whip out a color picker. And right, and that needs to be just like that, yeah. FFD8. FFD8. What's that called? Don't have the resource for that. Okay, last reset, hopefully. Hopefully. Hello, P-heads. Yeah, got one list. Let's do a race, and then I'll cook food. Wee. This looks so weird. I need to get a boat. Oh yeah, and that. Alright, so let me look at that. 544 in the server. 544, and that line is regarding an autosave. That argument, that's to Jason. Okay, I'll have to test that. But that should be... interesting. Did that... I think that might come in if it tries to autosave before the cutscene is over. Maybe? It's no warning anyway. Autosave happens every 60 seconds, so we'll see in 60 seconds. It should have already happened then. So yeah, that's just a one-time error that happens during a cutscene. That's fine. Would have to clean it up, but oh, this is not a trailer. Yeah, in the end I didn't actually fix anything, I don't think, unless by accident. I just refactored code and cleaned the bits up a bit, but like all of the major glitches, like the skip glitches, I still don't know what caused them. I want to sort this by vehicle because it's a very useless metric to sort by. Hey, look who's here. Don't think so. I think this should still be worth it even with the sharp turn. Speed Evolve is winning when it comes to money. Also, Charlie just does not have a race rank. Hey! Beep. The thug. Not sure I want to set this one out, to be honest. Oops. That turn could be cleaner. this is the tug. I wanna see what happens when I spectate him. 0th out of 3rd. Something is going wrong, but I think it's my game mode. No, it's not glitching. I wanna test something with the Squallow. That's not what I wanted to test. Okay. Took all my health, Squallow only. Maybe the speeder, but the speeder comes from the other direction anyway, I think. Drop me. Drop me. I wish this wasn't a satellite map sometimes. Woo! The money value is growing so big. Sure. Not the correct route, I don't think. Oh boy. It will be exiled. It will be. I want my dinner. Can your phone download a Netflix GTA? Probably not. So there's a bug. That's in your phone run a definitive edition. Oh boy. A Josh rate by 891 viewers. Welcome everyone. We are testing the map for Saturday, the big race. I'm not sure if Josh told you about it. I made some changes, nothing substantial. Just testing for bugs now. It seems all fine. All is fine. As for my phone, I guess I'll have to test it. I'm not sure I'm logged in on my phone on Netflix. 1,000 people. I caught the start of Josh's troubleshooting, but not the end. It doesn't work. But I've been streaming for how long? For an hour and a half. And Josh was already, like an hour and a half ago, Josh was like, oh, this fixed it, it was Android 11. But apparently not. Also forehead cam. Ooh, good catch. Let me fix that in a bit. This was a very impromptu stream. It didn't end well. Doesn't work on his phone, not emulators and not other options. That's a good game. Good game. Still forehead cam. I'll just sit upright. What is my Benhammer bot doing? He's just counting. He's harmless. His name is scary, but he's not very capable of anything. Good turn. But yeah, welcome Raiders. So as some of you might be aware, upcoming Saturday, that is overmorrow or tomorrow for some, there is the big Fleischberg import-export race, where we will take all 212 vehicles, all of them, yes, even that one, as Josh likes to say, and we're gonna drive them to the factory at the center of the map. Even that one. And that is on Saturday, starting at noon my time. It is currently 5:30 PM my time. And if you wanna join, you can join. There's instructions out there somewhere on my Discord, discord.gg/lotsofs. You can find instructions on how to join. But if you just wanna watch, you can tune in here on Saturday, or maybe in Josh's, and just watch. Right now we're doing just a test race, the three of us, and just to Check for bugs. Is there a play? There's a 64 player limit. I don't expect to hit that, but I don't know. You guys might just surprise me. Maybe I needed to open signups. Let's do a $5. How is my stream? Is going well? Yeah, I just fixed some bugs still. I did a thing where I stripped out a large, big chunk of code just now that wasn't needed anymore, and that's it. And the map seems to be working. Hello, Fuzimi. Yeah, the bot is counting how many S's there are in Lot of S today. Not really, Jelmer. I added some stats in the tab menu. I redid the code of the cranes. I tried looking for some of the really bad bugs, but I wasn't really able to identify what caused the bugs. So I just put a bunch of like outputs to consoles in there, so that if the bug does happen, I can at least troubleshoot it. I added the name of the current vehicle in the bottom left for a bit, like in single player, because that was a much requested feature. I added just like a money counter, like in single player, where you get money for delivering vehicles and the money goes down depending on how much you damage it. It is completely useless, but it's just a little fun stat. Yeah, other than like some code overhauls, I didn't actually do much. Hopefully the overhauls just fixed all the stuff by accident, which might be the case. Probably not though. But yeah. Yeah, I just took the prices from the handling data. Ooh. And it just rewards it. So like a BMX is worth $10,000, which is completely insane. But you know, I'm just rolling with it. Yeah, it could be a cool little stat right at the end, like see who drove the most sloppy. I guess you don't get penalized for if you just completely destroy a vehicle and have to respawn. But whatever. Fix 2 bugs, introduce 4 more, yeah, and those 4 are why we're doing this today. We're just checking. Seems good so far. Seems good. I will for sure be watching how I can play until the P. What happened to your PC? Yeah, I was like, this is a good race. People really love this and they kept asking me like, hey, when's the race again? I was like, you know what? End of the year? I think it needs to happen. Your Windows died. That's not the answer I expected. Oof. There goes some of my money. Corrupted during update while you were asleep. Do you not have system restore points? Do I have system restore points? That turn could be cleaner. Fun. Oof. So yeah, now I have 24k. I hand this in. And I have 83k. The Infernus is worth 95k, so yeah, I got about half that, a bit more. I wanna use Tries to log in, doesn't... Oh no, you got like the Windows thing where it encrypted all your data with like some password that you don't have, and it's absolutely... Oh no. Yeah, could do something like where it just holds off of finishing everyone until everyone has, and then just takes the score. You could do interesting stuff with it. I'll let people brainstorm on that a bit. For now, it's fine being just a fun little stat, and only a stat. This is like one of my least favorite colors. This like yellow with like a hint of lime. It's like a marker pen yellow, you know, the highlighting pen that everyone uses in their textbooks. That's like my least favorite color. The neon yellow. This one isn't too bad. It's not quite that color, but... Gotta be careful. This thing is like Caesar's car. It flips really easily, and if it does flip, it doesn't unflip. Oh boy. Yeah, good luck, Exiled. There's a tough pickle you're in. Didn't keep my speed. Hello, anti-guilty TW. Just mowing lawns. This is no longer a good route. Imagine having to clear or mow this entire field with like a mower. Well, with anything really. Past the first stage of grief. That's denial, right? Yeah, I'll push it to GitHub in a sec. What happens when you negative look stat? Yeah, the route could be good if you manage to keep your speed, but I didn't, you didn't. That turn could be cleaner. Oop. Oh, I still need that one too. Oh, see, this is what I meant when I said this thing just flips. Irish truck. Ivory Coastian truck. Oh no, Armenia maybe. Hello, discoordination journey, you figured it out. Only option I'm scared to press is custom Windows install. The file setting and applications aren't moved to Windows with this option. If you want to make changes to partitions and drive start computer using install disk, we recommend backing up your files. But that's the all wanted to back up your files. That's all you want, right? I'll do one more fiver. Actually, let's do a basic race. And then I do need dinner. I think the race... I'll leave the server running. If anyone wants to join that I trust, shoot me a ping in my Discord. If I don't know you, don't bother though. Yeah, exiled. Oh no, he's not gonna make it. Can he make the turn? Can he make the turn? He made that turn! And I made this leaderboards do a thing. The leaderboards doesn't display the name of the map properly, I don't think, but it's fine. Yeah, probably exiled. Oh boy, this vehicle. This is like the Super GT on steroids, this car. Whatever route Wolf took, it's better, I think, unless he just did the drop better than me. I cannot help you, exiled though. Nice. I can drive. And good luck though. Whoa, 30 seconds to finish, should be fine for me. Tight for Charles. Yeah, it doesn't display the category of in the top times, in the header of the top times above. No! Let's do another one. Leader, yeah, I could make that, Rook. I could make that. Not today, but yeah, that could be good actually, because yeah, let's do one more, then I need to eat. I think the map works. I guess we should do some planes or something, but I'll leave the server running if you would like to test more Speed Evolve, although it's pretty boring to do that on your own, I reckon, so I wouldn't blame you if you didn't. Oh no! The race will be for everyone. Yes, you just need MTA 1.5.9 and you can just show up in the server. There's no sign-ups, you can just join. There's a 64 player limit. This is the incorrect route. We're taking it now. There's a 64 player limit, which I didn't expect to hit, but I'm starting to doubt myself a little bit. But it should be fine. Yeah, everyone can join. Unless you're banned from the server, which I'm not sure if anyone is. And yeah, details, discord.gg/lotsofs. I think I updated the event with details. I'm not sure if the server IP is in there now. I don't know, but yeah, that's where you can find details. I also made a tweet, which I'm not sure contains enough details. I probably should write another tweet. Actually, these one-offs are really fun, actually. Just like an actual race. I wanna do another one. Another one. And I need to add an option to skip the cutscene. And like if everyone unanimously votes for skipping the cutscene, then it just skips the cutscene. What, Gaming Master Lieutenant? Do tell me more. Why do they need updating though? Cause like it worked fine, doesn't it? Or did it have issues? Ooh, a Buccaneer. I think this is the exit. I can get really cut by the map loading in on this. What's the average time to finish the race? For all 212, it was average, I would assume like 9 hours. If you roughly know how to drive, not super familiar with the map, but you know what you've played GTA before, you've played it a lot. And you know how to drive, you know how to not hit every single lamppost, you know how to not spin out in every single turn. You can keep the Super GT in a modestly straight line. Then yeah, I would assume 8-9 hours. Recently we have been spending a little bit of time maintaining our older servers to ensure we don't have to switch them off, as we recognize there are a number of dedicated communities who still love to play our older titles. Hell yeah. Speedy Falls PB is 725. Yeah, I think 9 hours could be on the high end. So yeah, it's definitely a commitment if you want to do it all in one go. There should be an autosave feature that I haven't tested. So you can quit midway through and rejoin later, but yeah, I'll take out like a good afternoon and part of the evening or whatever time zone you're in. Womsomagate is by far the most popular. Good on Team 17 for recognizing that. With good reason, good on Team 17 for recognizing that. Because of that, WormNet is due for a migration over to new hardware. Okay, it's just a migration. It's nothing new, just a migration, yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's test out the autosave. Let's do a 10er Speedy Wolf. And yeah, if you look at the voting that comes up now, you can see I made a bunch of options for how you wanna race. The full experience is all 212, so that's what we'll do over tomorrow. But yeah, there's like smaller versions if you're just with like 2 friends and you just wanna race for a little bit. We're gonna do a 10er, and I'm like on car 3 or 4, so I'm gonna reconnect to the server and see if it keeps my progress. Yeah, honking at streamers is fun, isn't it? I'm definitely just... I am a streamer myself, but like whenever I see Crucial or Josh... I mean, I honk at everyone, because like honk communication is just... It's just the best way of communicating. You work the WarmNet system? Oh man. One honk for pass on left, 2 honks for pass on right, yeah. 3 honks for pass over or under. Now you get like toot toot, which is just like high, and then it's like get out of the way. But you don't need get out of the way because it's ghost mode. Get some picking them up, yeah. If you wanna be an NPC driver. And then there's the Morse code honk. M O O O R R R S E. But no one knows Morse code, so that doesn't really work. Okay, Savannah, alright. Get the hell out, yeah. I'm a music honker, I honk along with the music. There's a good riff going on. No, 120 BPM, that's fast. I can honk faster than that. How fast is it again? This is like faster than 120 even. 120 BPM isn't that fast actually. How many honks for sticky keys? 5 if you didn't disable them. Oh, this car, man. Ooh. Sticky keys. Oh yeah, thanks Gaming Master. I'm curious if there's anything substantive. I mean, what can you even change that would really like be something that you as the user would notice? Because it's all just back-end stuff, right? That's not really interesting for you know, the people like who just play the game. It is interesting for technical talk. Okay, let's deliver this and then I'll do a reconnect to test the autosave. And if the autosave doesn't work, I'm going to be very upset because then that puts a big deadline on my ass. But I didn't really touch the autosave, so it should just still work. Don't hit the tree. Don't do that either. Oh, fine. And I upped the draw distance a bit, so you can see further now, which makes landing planes a bit easier, and seeing the cranes, you get to appreciate them more. Ooh, that's a good paycheck actually, Exile. Sign me up. I'll mow lawns all day, and then I'll retire, because I have a shit ton of money. Oh, sign me up still. Sign me up. Alright. So that, oh no! Oh no, my game crashed. No, all my progress. All my progress. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. I mean, it'll still put me here. It'll still put me here, but once you walk into this marker, and you have to watch the cutscene again. I haven't, as I said, I haven't touched the auto load. But as soon as the cutscene is done, it should put me on checkpoint 3 and in, what was the vehicle, a Walton? Yes. That works. If it works every time is a different question. But it works. They want to incorporate WarmNet 2 proxy. I don't know what that is. Like some stunts. It doesn't save the money, but since the money is just like a fun thing, like whatever. Although you would probably want to save it, because then you can just reconnect before the last vehicle and finish with... Actually no, higher is better for money, so never mind. Yeah, higher is better, not lower. I don't know why I thought that lower equals better for money would be the thing, but yeah, okay, so then fine, yeah. The money stat is for those diehards who do it all in one go. Ooh. I don't know what the best way of getting this out of here is. In here, I guess? This tree is smashable. It's not even solid. Yeah, this is a nasty one. What time we start play? At noon my time. It is currently 18 my time, so that is in 6 hours ago, but on Saturday. This plane is an awkward size. It fits, but does it fit? It fits, but not really well. Ah, freebie. I love the views. This crane is so slow actually, it's pretty good. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. He has a Naruk as well, right? Yeah. Not sure what route he took, but it isn't much slower than mine. If even. He was a bit ahead of me already. Skimmer. What's your tip? Doo-doo. 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 Let's plop the skimmer. How much does the skimmer pay out for, or no? We're at 64k. Nice. Not a lot we got for that. We also damaged the thing though, so. You can plop them, Lord Mal, or you can park them in the crane range and they'll deal with it. Yeah, just underneath any crane. It's still a bit tricky, there's a lot of shit in the way everywhere, but I found the easiest is to land it like on the grass behind the factory. Like underneath that crane in the grass there. I've gotta mind the trees, or just plop it in this parking lot. Or you could park it on top of a roof but both of them are tricky. All of them are tricky. And yeah, the AT400 gets you a little extra. Like someone, there will actually be a ramp for the AT, not for the Andromeda though. That should help you a bit as well. Flashback is the factory, yeah, Flashback is the factory. I guess they... who rented the cranes? I guess you did, right? Is this a good route? And this is not a good route. I think this is better anyway. What's he have? Savannah. It's gonna be a good race. Don't know how far in he is already. It says he's closer than I, so he'll win. There we go. GG. Don't do that. I have 5 minutes to finish, that should be plenty. This isn't GTA 5, I don't need the curb boost. I will anyway. I mean tomorrow if you're in Kiribati, yeah. Australia, I think it's already tomorrow. I think if you're in Kiribati, it's not even tomorrow, is it? It's already on Sunday. Nice. I know enough. I think this is good. I'm gonna make myself some dinner. Will I be on voice yet? I guess I could be. Maybe I'll organize a voice channel in my Discord. That's a good idea, actually. I'll probably be in there. I'll probably mute myself at some point, but yeah, it could be a cool idea. A basic race to finish it off with, sure thing. Oh, thank you. Oh, that feels so dirty. I would have hit the pole too. Oh no. Oh no, I hit something. Oh boy, I hit something really badly. Oh. Yep, I don't know enough. I'm gonna make myself dinner and send the map files over to Leguan. There's nothing else. I hope it all works. It didn't break. If it did, then we are screwed. So I'll end the stream here because I know enough. Thank you guys for watching, for testing. No stream tonight. Tomorrow there's Catane tomorrow evening, and then on Saturday, which is in 6.5 hours ago, but on Saturday we'll do the race. I'll probably be there a little bit early. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye bye.